Good day everyone. Today we are going to talk about geometric series. Geometric series is the sum of a geometric sequence. Its formula for getting the geometric series is as shown on the top right corner. Now for the first example, we have here the find the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric sequence 3, 9, 27, and ellipses. The first thing we need to do is list down the ratio, which can be found once you divide the first term and second term and third term, and so on and so forth. And the first term, which is the 3, and then the nth term, the terms that we need to find, which is 6. You see here, from dividing the first term and the second term, we get the ratio 3. To avoid confusion of numbers, I recommend writing down the ratio, nth term, and first term. Now write it all down according to the formula shown at the right corner, and move on with the computing. We're going to do a step by step. So first, let's find out what the answer to 3 with the exponent of 6 is. So get the answer with the help of your calculator and write the answer down, and then minus 1. Copy all. Because of lack of space, I decided to expand the board. Now the difference of 729 is equal to 728, and the difference of 3 and 1 equals to 2. Now we are going to multiply 3 and 728. I just made the manual multiplying and also the manual division. You can also do that with your calculator. And after the last step, the getting of simplest form, here you are with the answer. Now on to the second problem. What is the sum of the first 15 terms of sequence 20, 100, 500, and 2500? Now with these kinds of whole numbers, we are going to reach quite many of the digits. So don't panic if you have so many digits, okay? Please wait for me to write that down. Okay, now like instructed in the first number, we list down the R, the first term, and the nth term. As you can see, the first term is 20, the ratio is 5, and the nth term is 15. Now let's write down the formula. 20 close parenthesis 5 raised to 15 minus 1 and over 5 minus 1. Fetch your calculator and solve 5 raised to 15. And then I already subtracted the denominator, 5 minus 1. After getting the 5 raised to 15, you will multiply 20 to the difference of 5 raised to 15 minus 1. Now the product will be 610 billion 351 million 562,480 over 4. Now solve this fraction with your calculator, and the answer will be 152 billion 587 million 890,620. Another question, this is a new one. What is the sum of the first 7 terms of sequence 4000, 2000, 1000? As you can observe, the sequence is decreasing. By dividing the second and first term, we got the ratio 0.5. List the first term, ratio, and end term down, and then write it all according to the formula. Now don't be confused like me. 0.5 is raised to 6 minus 1. To avoid any errors, use your calculator. 0.02 minus 1 is equals to negative 0.8. Now for the denominator, 0.5 minus 1 is equals to negative 0.5. Now multiply 4,000 times negative 0.8. It will become negative 3,200 over negative 0.5. Now divide negative 3,200 and negative 0.5. Don't forget to use the rules of integers. And our answer will be 6,400. That is all for my math demo. Thank you so much for watching.